Transcript 0:100. Thanks for returning to the Wise Cars channel. 0:02. Toyota was displayed today for 0:05. Malawi and formerly houses in 0:07. The A80, which has become an automotive legend, 0:11. Left an indelible mark on the sports 0:13. Automobile industry since its inception in 0:15. Designed for aerodynamics in the early 1990s 0:18. It is distinguished by its straight lines 0:20. A rear spoiler with a pop-up design 0:22. Spoiler its front lights right away 0:24. Distinguish it from previous versions 0:26. The Supra MK4S is classic and ferocious 0:29. Aesthetics of posture make it even more 0:32. Distinct years after its initial 0:34. Appearance of the Supra 4's core 0:36. The well-known is located not far from Malawi. 0:39. 2JZ, this 6-horsepower GTE with a 3.0L inline 0:44. Engine plant that is known for being durable 0:46. And dual performance characteristics 0:48. Turbochargers that propel it to a speed of 276 0:51. 318 pound-feet of torque and horsepower 0:54. Available even though they are conservative 0:57. These figures represent the consensus of the 1 o'clock. Japanese man restricted on 101. It is widely believed that horsepower 103. The 2JZ GTE engine is unable to 107. Overstated and renowned for its iron block 110. Components in the building that was 111. Overengineered enabled it to endure 113. Delivering significantly more power 115. Quickly, and many fans have contributed to this 118. Engine has a capacity of over 1,120 horsepower using the right 121. Changes that demonstrate its extraordinary 123. Potential and how well the Supra performs 125. And dependability due to the locations 128. Of Malawi stand out thanks to its precise 130. Controlling rear-wheel drive layout 132. Dynamics it has a setup with 2 wishbones. 135. Of the suspensions at the front and back 137. Exhibits incredible stability and 140. Ability to change gears using the standard 6-speed 143. Profit from the V60 manual. 147. Transmission provides a satisfying 148. Driving performance when using the automatic 151. Additionally, a 4-speed transmission 153. Available for individuals who would prefer 155. Feel more comfortable driving the 156. The Supra's performance capabilities 158. Combined with its balance and agility 2 o'clock. Make driving on both roads enjoyable 203. Street in the path that the year 2025 205. Supra will make use of Malawi's Kwataches. 207. Evaluated for their Toyota's construction 209. Dedication to quality and dependability 212. Every example of superior engineering 214. Aspect of the automobile, including 217. Sturdy engine components for its exquisite 220. Designed the cabin's interior to be comfortable. 222. Despite the driver-focused features, coziness 224. Seats in a meticulously crafted standard 227. Features like vents for the dashboard 229. Thanks for the air conditioner, if 231. If you enjoyed my video, consider subscribing. 234. Join my YouTube channel, Wise Cars, and 236. Post a comment.